4 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, чаепитие, страница 72, 74, 75. English, spotlight for, homework, tea party. Page number 72, 74, 75. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 72. 72. Arthur plus Rascal. Episode number 4. Артур и Раскал. Repeat after me. Time for a walk. Oh goody, I like the park. Hello, Cookie. So you come here too? Yes, my owner works here. What does he do? He sells hot dogs. Do you want one? Do people eat dogs? Oh, they're not really dogs, silly. Here you are, try one. I love hot dogs, you. Arthur, Rascal, where are you? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 74. 74. Tea party. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 11th, 12th, 20th. Чаепитие. Послушай и повтори. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 11th, 12th, 20th. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Chit chat. That looks delicious. It's for Robbie's 16th birthday. Поговорим. The answer. That looks delicious. It's for Jim's 12th birthday. That looks delicious. It's for Janet's 2nd birthday. That looks delicious. It's for Laura's 40th birthday. That looks delicious. It's for Mike's 21st birthday. That looks delicious. It's for Kelly's 8th birthday. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 75. 75. Exercise number 3. Listen and read. Послушайте и прочитайте. You, that's look delicious. It's for Robbie's 16th birthday. A while later, oh no, look at the cake. Larry, Lulu. Look at this cake, Larry. Was it you? No, I was in my room with Paka. Lulu, it wasn't me. We were in the garden. Then, who was it? I think I know. Look, Chuckles is having a chimps tea party. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read again and answer. Where were Larry and Paco? Прочитайте диалог еще раз и ответьте на вопрос. Where were Larry and Paco? The answer. They were in the room. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Closer, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Closer, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing makes so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close, say goodbye.